Well, good morning, everyone. I guess the president last night gave us another 30 days of quarantine. I guess this virus is proving to be more than what they thought it was. Anyway, yesterday I made myself a bogata, and as you can see, I've been using it quite a lot. Last night I opened up, I don't know, maybe a dozen different deadbolts and stuff with it. You know, the mortise type of cores. And this thing works like a champ. I just got the outline of the bogata off the internet, and I printed it out, and I just made myself one. That's all. And then of course I had to make a triple peak, and this thing is awesome. It's a full shank, and it works well, man. I can't believe how well these things work if you just take the time and just, you know, get a set of files and just keep filing, you know. But yeah, I put a copper pin here and a copper pin there, and I like it. It works very good. And then of course I always make hooks, man. I like hooks. Let's see what happens if we zoom in. Oh wow, there you go. Awesome hook. Awesome hook, man. Awesome bogata. Awesome triple peak. It's not exactly, I would say, not exactly like a HPC type of triple peak, but it opens all of the Brinks deadbolt mortise cores. It's opened all the quick sets that I've got. I mean, and of course those SFIC master cores that go in the regular door handle type of lock things. It opens them all up really well. But let me see here. What really got me, now this is the only store-bought pick that I have in my possession. This is the only one that I've ever owned, and I've opened up probably 1,000 locks with this pick here. And this is a Southord. A buddy of mine sent this to me, I don't know, maybe 8-10 years ago. Over in Holland is where the guy is from. I think he went to jail because he broke into somebody's house, you know, and blah blah blah. But this is the pick that he sent me all those years ago. Anyway, these are the picks that I've made in the last day and a half or so. Awesome. One of my faves. But what I can't get over is how awesome these bogatas work. I mean, I never knew that a bogata actually works so well, man. You know? I mean, it's just awesome. And of course, you know, the fancy little... How come this thing won't focus? There she go. The fancy little... This is a 17 thousandths right here. This is made out of a short feeler gauge. One of those 3-inch feeler gauges that you buy at the auto parts store. Wow. Yep. Alright, that's all I got for you today, man. If you have any comments, please leave them. I don't have any subscribers yet, so I guess I'm doing this channel just for fun. Here's the one that I made a couple of days back. Man, I've been using this thing a lot. And it's opened quite a many locks. You can see there how I didn't finish grinding this shank there. I just left it kind of rough, and for some reason I'm not even going to fool with it, man. This thing is so cool just exactly the way it is. Anyway, I hope everyone is being safe out there, and I hope everybody is not getting a hold of this damn virus. And I hope that the CDC and all them other boys and girls that are in the business of getting people fixed, they start doing their jobs. Anyway, dudes, I'll talk to you all later on.